Hello and welcome back with Hatem Ali for objection with the news as we never promise, as we always promise, guys. Today we brought for you the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna unbox for you. I'm gonna tell you things that you will never hear it in any other video. That's why you always follow and subscribe. This is 42 millimeter. Too bad that they didn't create 46. Actually, I bought this. I'm gonna give it to my wife, okay? Because I cannot wear pink bracelet, okay? Okay, gold color. I love to, but pink bracelet I don't like to, okay? I mean, why they didn't create 46, just 42? I mean, and about bracelet I can buy. I can change it. I can wear it blue, black, whatever. Anyway, let's see that they say it's Wi-Fi GPS version, okay? Here they say I want to tell you something. They say here, guys, look. They say here that it's Android 5, okay? Like, but the RAM is 1.5 gigabyte. Which the 46 is more. 46 is more RAM than her. So, and the battery here are more or less. I guess here's 280 watts, and in the big one is 400. To be honest with you, the iPhone Watch is RAM is higher than her. But anyway, battery life is depending on how much you're gonna use it, okay? Let's see the... Oh, it's really so goldy, Wow. Oh, too bad. I wish to have one. Wow, see guys, it's goldy and shining, it's shining color of gold. Um, Guys, we know what I like here. See how you have two buttons here for back and for menu, and in an iPhone Watch, the silly things that buttons from here. How I'm gonna use it? How I'm gonna use an iPhone Watch like this? I will wear it in my hand, and I'm gonna use it like this. What a stupid idea! What they done in iPhone Watch. Really, it's so female. This is really so sexy watch. Let's open it. Let's see the rest of box, and I'm exciting as hell. Wow. Wait. Okay. Let's see, and then we will back. Let's see the number. It's okay. Charger. This is a charge. What is made from? Because this is Europe type. You got me. This is not. Look, guys, this is European type. It's Samsung written here. It's made in Vietnam, as you see here. So this is European type. For Europe, here it came from Vietnam. I don't know. Some people they say that we unbox and we find a Chinese charge. It doesn't matter. It matters charge. China, Vietnam, Hong Kong. I don't care. This is user manual. I don't need it. Every time I buy them watch. So this is strips. This is the longest one for but I don't know if your hand is too huge you're gonna use this. As for me, even me and my wife, even me is gonna be enough for me, this one. Okay, what we have here, nothing else. Let's see here. This is the dock station. Oh, wow. Wow, so pleasure to touch. It's like, skin, and I don't know how to explain it for you. Let's see, Toja. It's Vietnam also. The right by Russian language is Vietnam. I don't know the Russian, Ukrainian, but I can read it here. The right is Vietnam. Oh, it's cool. So all you have to do, just put it here, and tada, charge. You know what I like? See how dock station are cool. And not like an iPhone, they give you so cheap dock station. You got me? So this is all inside the box. There's nothing else. Let's see. Let's try to just open it and bear it. In Apple Watch, they give you so goddamn cheap normal charge on USB and go fuck yourself. See here, they give you dock station. Or like iPhone Max, how they give you, this is kinda shame as hell. Phone costs $1,700 and you know, they give you cheap charge, and extra they give you cable that is 1.7 megahertz, which is mean even is not enough for the battery for the phone. Anyway, guys, I set up the watch. I buried, and after I buried the watch with the phone, he asked me for update, and I updated. Okay, it's kind of cool. Let me open for you Flash. Okay, now I open Flash to see how watch made in Vietnam, Samsung Galaxy Watch. You have here the this is sensors, because you know this watch you have here when we go. Oh, this is here. This is, you know, not, this is not the main one. Here is the main one. Okay, here you have message, call, phone, contacts, email. I just, you know, guys, I just unboxed it for you. Here's the health. Here's Galaxy apps. You know, you can download even your bank application and pay pass through the watch. You can download anything you want. You have setting. You have PBT control. This is, you know what, this, guys, this is connected to your laptop. For example, I can connect it to my laptop here. By the way, it's so important video for you guys to watch. It's about me. So this is you can connect your watch to tablet, or your to your laptop or computer. You know why? Because you can use her as not. She's just not smartphone normal. You know, guys, this is watch PC. So that's why they write for you here PBT, because you can control her, control your, you know, when you will have it and you connect it to your computer, you by yourself you will understand, because Samsung is so easy to use, not like an iPhone, you know, that you are suffering to. This is Samsung Flow, and find my phone, and okay, let's see something. Okay, sorry, my phone was out of battery. Anyway, see how it's sexy and gorgeous. Oh, we have Bixby here, and we have the biometric news, gear browser, flashlight. How could be? Oh, really? This is really gorgeous. Flashlight, guys, you kidding me? Wow, this is the first time I see a watch with flashlight. Timer. Wow. I will do for you guys another video for review. I will tell you everything about this watch. Okay. Oh, this is cute. We will move this nylon later, and we will show you how it's so sexy. We'll move also, there is nylon here. We're gonna move it, and there's nylon other side. We have two bottoms here. It's really so beautiful watch. I like it so much. It's female, sure, more than for male, but I wish to have it. If they have 46, I'm gonna move this straps and gonna put another color. I will have it for myself. So guys, thanks for watching. We will see you again in another video. I will make another videos more and more. I will show you a lot of things about this watch that you may not know. Just follow my channel down below, and don't forget to subscribe, or don't subscribe as you wish. And see you in another videos with Hatem Ali for Projection. Peace and love for everyone.